Hey guys, it's me, Gabe Monster, and today I just got Angry Bird Space, and it usually gives me the Mighty Space Eagle, and today I'm going to review that. Okay, I hope you enjoy. Subscribe, like, favorite, and do all that stuff so I can keep up. Oh, there's the music, and there's the eagle. I have 5. I'm gonna go try it here. Actually, a different level. Here we go. Perfect. So first, I press this. And look. The Angry Birds are still there. Okay. Well, here I go. Oh, there it is. Oh, that's nice. Hey, I thought I had to destroy the piggies. Okay, well, I'm going to continue this level for you guys. The Eagle high score. So far, I got half of it. There we go. Now, all the pigs are defeated. Sorry for the wait. Usually, it takes time to recognize you won. Up, there we go. See, look. Oh, 82%. Well, I hope you liked it. I hope you liked this video, and tell me if you want me to review some of the planets, even this one, Danger Zone. And like, favorite, subscribe, comment, subscribe, like, favorite, subscribe, comment, like, favorite. Come on, let's do this some more. Well, goodbye. SpongeBob.